Hello, beautiful people of the YouTube. I am coming to you today with a unboxing video of Jeffree Star's Mystery Summer box. And this is the Supreme box. He has not done a mystery box in a hot minute. He's done his mystery treats and everything, and when I saw how much of a value this was, I just had to try my luck and see if I got a deal. I know a few people posted already their unboxings. Jeffree Star Cosmetics is known for, if you see someone get something in a mystery box, about 9 times out of 10 you are going to get the exact same thing in your box, with a few color variations from here to there. But they are very consistent in that sense. This was $145, but you get 23 items plus, and the value of this box is supposed to be over $400 plus. Over. I thought that was amazing. He has never offered any mystery box with this many items at this big of discount. So let's unbox it and see if this reigns supreme as the first ever mystery box of his that we all can say, wow, this is amazing. Or if it's a dud. I will give a slight little spoiler. I did already unbox this. I was having a very rough week last week, and I got it Tuesday, I believe, and I was already kicking the bucket and at work, and I'm like, you know what? I'm opening this box because makeup makes me happy, and Jeffree Star, his crazy mind and names of these products makes me happy and excited, and that's what I just wanted to feel, and I did feel that way when I opened this box. But I wanted to show everyone else what was inside. So, opening it up, pink packaging, and I did not get, which, comment down below if you guys want to chime in, should I get any of the mystery treats that are available right now? I don't know if I'd get lucky. Should I even get the smaller deluxe box that they still have up on their website? I believe they still do. I did not check today, but they do still have the treats up available. And see if I can get some more deals and steals. I don't know. I'm pretty happy with the box as is, but please chime in. So, wrap it, and I am not going to be filming this monstrosity because I got this the same time I got this box, and if you can see, poor Allure July's box just got smushed in delivery, and I mean, it's small packet, it's small products, so nothing got damaged or anything, but I'm just going to take a picture of the stuff and move on. It ain't getting filmed. This is what is on top. So, item number 1 is a bucket hat. And I am wearing Disney ears because I feel fabulous. I'm not a bucket hat person. I know I love hats, but I bucket hats. I don't know. This is Terry. I mean, very well made. You have the logo inside. It is sturdy. You have his star logo, the name, and it feels very nice. Will I wear this? I don't know. Maybe. I am a hat person, but I just don't know if I'm a bucket hat person. And next up is a pair of socks. Now, these are like the half calf, what do they call them? Tube socks? Tube socks. And I saw he had socks on his website, and we get a pink version. Super, super high quality. I love socks, so this is my Mama Jamma. So I am super excited to get socks from Jeffree Star. I always need socks working where I work. And next up, because I did open this in advance, we have these. And people are very confused on what these are. And basically, they are buttons, accessories for your Crocs. Jeffree loves wearing his Crocs, so he made accessories for them. I think they are freaking adorable. But I am here to give everyone a cheap and thrifty option for you. If you go over to your local Aldi store right now, they have these available, and they are only $6.99. You heard that right. $6.99 for these that look like little sneakers with some air holes in there. And basically, guess what? These can go in those holes. No more said than done. They do run in like strange sizes, so to each your own, but I had to pick these up. These look like little sneakers. They're light as feathers and perfect for putting these on them and dressing them up. Please don't thank me now. Thank me later. Next up in the accessories, and I want to say this is probably the last non-makeup skincare accessory, and that is a pop socket. And I believe this is from a few summers ago that he stuck in some mystery boxes. If I am not mistaken, I have used it. I love these, but unfortunately my phone case has an automatic holder ring in the back, so I don't use these pop sockets anymore, but I know some residents who would gladly use one of these on their phones. So this is going to work for the residents. Next up, let's go into the exclusives. Yes. We have the one skincare item. This is Jeffree Star Skincare Summer Lip Oil. And I'll take it out. It looks like that. It does not have any fragrance to it. I will put some on right now because I took off my red lipstick. As you can see, yes, it is Christmas in July at my nursing home starting today, and I went ruby red lips and Blood Money Jeffree Star green eyeshadow. So I took off the red lipstick. It does not taste like anything in particular. It does not smell like anything. So it is just a very moisturizing lip oil. Excellent. Excellent lip oil. Very good. What can I expect though? And I believe this might be the last exclusive item, and this is a mini liquid lipstick threesome, and the colors in the back are they have the listing: burnt sandcastle, hot sauce, and sour star melon. And I will open these up for you really quickly. His velour liquid lipsticks are amazing, and that's what they look like. Pretty nice colors. I really like that one, and I bet this is the hot sauce. Yep, hot sauce. And this is the sour star melon. I don't know about that. I am not a brown lipstick girl. I just cannot do it. Cannot do it. And that's what those look like. And the rest is in here. Oh, there's still so much stuff in here. Okay. Quickly, we have Supreme glosses, and they are in, whoop, maybe flip them over. Okay. Weirdo 714 and Red Affair. The only Supreme gloss that I ever got was, hold on, this one. And this was like when it came out, I believe. He introduced the Supreme glosses, and the color was Blow My Candles. And all of these colors sound amazing. Love a Red. This looks like a corally salmon color, and Weirdo is black. But this Blow My Candles, it was like for his birthday, and I thought I could do it, and that looks like my skin color. Almost looks like my skin color. I looked like a dead person, to be honest. But I still kept it all this time because, you know, it was the only Supreme gloss I have. Now I have 3 brand new ones, excellent colors that I will use. Next up is a Supreme Frost highlighter, and this was from his Pricked collection that I very wanted so badly, and it's in Crystal Kumquat. Oh, his names. And this is, I don't know how to explain it, like a champagne yet burnt orange highlight, and it looks like an orange. Like, that is just gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. And his Supreme Frosts are very glittery, glitter based. More so than just his regular skin frost. happy to have that. And let's go through the only 2 doubles that I actually have. And that is strawberry gum, and it's the lip scrub. I love his lip scrub, but now I have 2 strawberry gum, and I just used a new one that I got beforehand now, and I threw my old one away. So these are going as gifts for Christmas time and birthdays, but it's a lip scrub. I'm fine with it. And the other repeat, which I'm a little sad about because I saw a few variations and I really wanted the Psychedelic Circus, but I got the Wedding Collection liquid eyeshadow in Favorite Frosting. And this is another like beautiful champagne glittery liquid shadow. I got the complete wedding liquid eyeshadow collection. So this will be going as a Christmas gift also, but absolutely the best one other than the white one, which the white liquid one I use constantly for as a base, but this is also just alone a great liquid eyeshadow, hands down. Great product. But truly, that was it. These were my 2 repeats. Everything else in this box, brand new. I thought I was going to get a lot of repeats, but I didn't. Liquid lipstick, full size, in Calabasas. I do not have this one, and again, it is a gorgeous shade. I am happy to have this color, most definitely. Awesome. We have a Velvet Trap, and I did not at first remember this packaging. His original OG was like a baby soft pink. This is like hot pink, and the color is Communion Wine. And when I saw that and I saw what else is in here, I'm like, I know which collection it's from. And I am actually very happy. I am a little sad inside. It just, the tip hit, but this is what it looks like. It looks brown. At first I was very upset at this color, and I said I'm not going to use it, but turns out it is a gorgeous wine color, perfect for fall. I am just over the moon. I will definitely be using this and wearing it. So happy to get this too. And then get all of these out. I have 8 single eyeshadows. I will just read them over very quickly. I have Crocodile Tears, Jaded, I'm Cold, Grand Prismatic, Black Card Limited. We have Persuasion, Yak Farm, and Pricked. Blood Sugar, Star Ranch. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 from the Blood Money collection. Grand Prismatic is Star Ranch. And I'm Cold, I believe, is from the Blue Bloods palette. I believe. But I might have to get like a magnetic palette again. I gave mine away when we got them in a mystery box, but now I have like 10 million single shadows. Next up is 2 eyeglosses. One is in Peach Goddess and the other Blunt of Diamonds. Again, do not have. Only one I have is Voodoo Glass. And it is my favorite quick grab eyeshadow. And I can already tell these are probably going to be a grab and swipe eyeshadows. Ugh. Come out of here. So Peach Goddess, of course, is like an orangey color. I love these. They're creamy and buttery. And they truly do just, it's like a gloss on your eyes. Happy to get that one. And if I am not mistaken, this is the white pearly, like diamond one. I mean, diamond's in the name, duh, Nikki. But if I can get it out, pop out. There we go. And it's just a gorgeous white. Oh. And please, everyone, keep your stoppers on. They say that's how they don't dry out. And that's just like frosting on there. Oh, ooh, do. Yes, gloss me up, I love these. Super happy because these are like $20 plus on their own. Awesome. And last but not least, we are down to the last 2, and I saved the last 2 for best for last. We have the Ice Crusher highlighter palette. Again, do not have this, never got it, even in my mystery boxes, and it is gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. Look at those, so pretty. Oh, so pretty. And the amazing thing about his highlighters is not only can you use them on your face, but they make really great eyeshadows too if you want to bling out look. Not that we don't have eyeglasses now to go with it, but. And then, so happy. This little Catholic schoolgirl is just excited because I got the Pink Religion palette. Do not have always wanted to get it, but I was like, oh, it's a pink palette. I don't need that much pink in my life. But as you can see, this is like a Bible. Like I said, Catholic schoolgirl got excited. I mean, it looks like the pages, and I will gently take it out of its sleeve, and that's what it looks like. It's fake leather, but you open it up and this that is what they look like. Truly, in person, it's beautiful. I definitely, there's actually some like purples in here, and I am speechless. This is amazing, and it looks like a book, like I'm reading a book. But, and this is $52. So just the Skin Frost palette and this palette alone probably paid for 75% of the box, and you're looking at maybe add the Supreme Frost and one of the lipsticks. You got the value of the box. Not to mention the 8 single shadows that are like right now around $10 a piece. I would never pay $10 a piece for them. I think he did have them on sale at one time for like $1 or $2. But yeah, so happy, so happy. And truly 85% of this box I am keeping. I thought I was going to get stuff to give as Christmas presents, and I'm not. I'm keeping everything. Because everything is perfect. The colors are perfect. They're wearable colors. I'm just made me so happy. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I do unboxings, mystery boxes, subscription boxes. FabFitFun is coming up soon. And everyone, please have a wonderful and safe day. It is really hot outside, and unfortunately up where I live in the north, the wildfire smoke is back again. So stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see everyone later.